y'all know. Yo, check it, it's grind hard, the native that rhyme hard. Busy really for the million, ready to fly far like a flock of birds. All of a sudden I got the urge to shit on a bunch of rappers and forcing to drop a turd on a head or two. I'm thinking I should write a letter to all you stupid labels who be signing all these men who rapping the same way. The only thing that the beat changed like a decorator. I'm coming to rearrange all the flows and styles. Gonna close your fouls. I've been running so long I can go for miles with a full metal jacket like I'm Gomer Pal. I make a track so smooth like a power trowel. Yeah, I came to get it and bring it, kill it, and while I'm at it, I show the haters I'm greater. Gave her the automatic energy. Plus I swipe their fans because I got more flavor than an ice cream stand. Check it, I could have did it without trying and made it plain, but it's time to reveal the magic like I'm David Blaine. Like Damon Wayans, yo, a major pain. A dirty beating will have you looking like Hunchback in Notre Dame. Break down the walls, I don't need no door. Like a B&E, money is what we go for. So from the blood they wanna see, don't pour. I'm losing cash from the rap, so I can't do it for free no more. I want it all, man. I will be feeling anticipation. Gonna live the dream, you ain't getting an invitation. When I'm there, ain't the only one sick of chasing. A&B originals, ready for the invasion. The skill is tactical, music is so galactical. Messing with Young Busy, I'll crack it like a pistachio. I'm city known, but soon I'll be international. Gonna wake up the fans with a grind like a cup of Tassimo. I'm super premium when it comes to a dirty track. You make me laugh like good old Bernie Mac. You need to study, see homework is recommended. You thinking you fly, bro, but you're only a flight attendant. Oh, now look at me go. An independent artist, but to put a foot in the dough. A raw talent hero now, tell me who can be both. Now all I need is an agent who be booking me shows. And then I'm off, I'm spraying your bugs, now I'm buzzing. They know me in the street like a statue, I'm not budging. So stop nudging, you know Busy the hot husband. I'm never gonna stop till I get to the top, cousin. Now holla, now holla, now holla at me. I got so many fans on Instagram who following me. I remember when they wouldn't spend $1 on me, and now they show me the love because all I achieve. Success is my test, I stress at my desk until I make another hit. I'm so thankful my mic blessed. I'm quite fresh, keep your peek out of my nest, because the day I sign the paper I'm taking a flight west. So take another minute while you think this through. I'm the captain of the ship, you'll never sink this crew. I say, while I drink this brew, and now I chill while you spill what I say as you link the news on the internet. Because my music is so indirect, I guess these other rappers ain't understanding my intellect. So like a skater, better hit the deck. Get on the ground cause I play the motion picture just like a Cineplex. I get you hot to the sky like a product in a pill. I bet you rappers didn't think I could spit it still. I'll put you up atop a windowsill because I'm cheap and you're way overpriced like a dinner bill. It's grind hard. Yeah, I know. 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 Yeah. ABO, baby. DJ Dirty on the beat. Y'all know, y'all know, y'all know, y'all know, y'all know, y'all know.